Hello everyone, this is Prabhakar. Welcome to Kalam Education. Kalam Education is providing online lectures in mathematics and physics for the students studying 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. All lectures are free of cost. There is no private videos. This is our first video in which we are going to discuss syllabus for mathematics for 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. For this course, we are following CBSE board syllabus. We can get a soft copy of a PDF in ncert.guru. We can find out all the textbooks and solved examples papers, practice questions through this website. If you want a hard copy, you can get it very easily in the market, or you can buy in online shoppings like Amazon books and all. And let us discuss the syllabus for 6th class. Sixth class maths containing 14 chapters, as we are seeing on the screen now. First chapter is knowing of numbers, and second chapter we are discussing whole numbers. Third chapter is playing with the numbers. Fourth chapter basic geometrical ideas. Fifth chapter understanding elementary shapes. Sixth chapter is integers. Seventh chapter fractions. Eighth chapter is decimals. Ninth chapter is data handling. 10th chapter is mensuration. 11th chapter is algebra, and 12th chapter ratio and proportion, and 13th chapter is symmetry, and 14th chapter is practical geometry. These are the topics we are going to discuss in a mathematics class of 6th. Let me move for the 7th class. 7th class mathematics syllabus containing 15 chapters. In these 15 chapters, we are going to discuss all the 15 chapters, including solved examples and practice examples. First chapter is integers, and second chapter fractions and decimals. Third chapter is data handling. Fourth chapter is simple equations. Fifth chapter is lines and angles. Sixth chapter is the triangles and its properties, and seventh chapter is congruence of triangles. Eighth chapter comparing the quantities, and ninth chapter is rational numbers. 10th chapter is practical geometry, and 11th chapter is perimeter and area, and 12th chapter is algebraic expressions. 13th chapter is exponents and powers, and 14th chapter is symmetry, and 15th chapter is visualizing solid shapes. Actually, this 6th class syllabus continuation of 7th class syllabus. If we see the triangles and the properties, before in 6th class we are studying about the shapes. In the shapes, one of the shape is a triangle. Then in 7th class we are studying about the triangles and its properties. One of the shape is a triangle. We are studying up the triangles, and again we are studying up the number system in 6th class. The number system continuation is integers, whole numbers, rational numbers. All these are continuation of the 6th syllabus to 7th syllabus. Let us move for the 8th class. In 8th class syllabus, we can find out 16 chapters in this. In these 16 chapters, we are discussing about first chapter as rational numbers, and second chapter is linear equations in one variable, and third chapter is understanding the quadrilaterals, and fourth chapter is practical geometry, and fifth chapter is data handling, and the sixth chapter is square and its square roots, and seventh chapter is cube and cube roots, and eighth chapter is comparing the quantities. Ninth chapter is algebraic expressions and identities. 10th chapter is visualizing the solid shapes, and 11th chapter is mensuration. 12th chapter is exponents and powers, and 13th chapter is direct and indirect inverse proportions. 4th chapter is factorization, and 15th chapter is introduction to graphs. 16th chapter is playing with the numbers. These are the 16 chapters where we are studying in the 8th class. All this 8th class syllabus also is continuation for the 7th class, except 2 or 3 chapters. Every chapter is continuation from the 7th class syllabus. We will discuss this one later. and we will move on to the 9th class. 9th class is containing different nearly 20 chapters. We will discuss each and every chapter. We will not going to leave any other chapter in this, because 9th class syllabus is very important, because all the 9th class syllabus what we are studying, it will be very useful in the 10th class, and this is the continuation topics which will continue in the 10th class also. So we need to study 9th class syllabus very clearly. And first we will go with the we are trying here with the number systems. Number system is repeating from last 6th class, 7th class, 8th class and 9th class also, and it will repeat in 10th class also. First chapter is number systems, and second one is polynomials, third one is coordinate geometry, and fourth one is linear equations in two variables, and fifth chapter is introduction to Euclid geometry, and next chapter is lines and angles, next chapter is triangles, next quadrilaterals, areas of parallelograms and triangles, next chapter is circles, next constructions, and next one is Heron's formula, next is surface area and volumes. Next is surface area and volumes, and next is statistics, and next is probability. Next we will go with the 10th class syllabus. 10th class syllabus is quite big syllabus compared to 9th class, and in 10th class we will study about real numbers and polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables. In 9th class we are studying pair of linear equations in one variable. Again in 10th class this is the continuation topic for that line of pair of linear equations for in two variables. Actually in 9th class we are studying with one variable, here we are studying with two variables, and again we are going with quadratic equations, arithmetic progression, and triangles and coordinate geometry, and introduction to trigonometry. This is a very important topic when we are going for the 11th and 12th. Introduction to trigonometry and applications we will study in the 11th and 12th class. Then we will go with some applications of trigonometry, what is the uses and what is the modern applications of trigonometry we will study here, and we will go with the circles. Then we will go with the constructions means different type of constructions, what and all constructions we will study. And again we will go for the area related to circles. Then we are going with surface areas and volumes, means what is the surface area of the circle, what is the surface area of a cone, what is the surface area of a prism, and we are going to study all these topics in this. And we are going last two topics as statistics and probability. These are the topics for 10th class, and this is the total syllabus for 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and 10th class for mathematics. And lastly I am going to tell you one thing, all syllabus what and all we are studying in 6th class is related to 7th class, and 7th class is related to 8th class, and 8th class is related to 9th class, and 9th class is related to 10th class. Most of the topics are like applications are deep. We are going deep into the each and every topic from 6th class to 10th class. If you have any doubt in any area or any chapter, you can go through the previous class. Means if you are 8th class, if you are having doubt in number system, you can go to 7th class or 6th class and you can rectify your doubts. And if you have any other doubt, then you can comment in the session. This is the video for this day. Please do share, subscribe our channel video. Thank you.